Alright, YouTube, what's going on? I'm back again. This time it's for my red Eureka Powerline, my soft bag one, my 9-amp one. The headlight is burnt out. Other than that, this baby is good to go. It's got the hose and attachments on board. Definitely a keeper. So let's go ahead and run her. She's a keeper. I got that one in 2019, I believe. 2019 for $1 at the Goodwill when they had that 99-cent day. Can't beat it, man. Go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe. It's your boy Kevin Love. I'm going to bed. Good night. Love you all. God bless you all. Peace.